Hey guys, good evening. It's Angelo Christian Financial. Thank you so much for watching our podcast, Real Estate Insider, where America goes for funding. Your direct nationwide lender. Call or text us 832-431-6331. Today we're talking about the difference between a HELOC and a HELOAN. So you can use a HELOC or a HELOAN for a first mortgage or a second lien mortgage. And basically the difference is with a HELOC, it's a line of credit. So you only pay interest when you draw from the loan, but a HELOAN is completely different. You can use it for a first mortgage or a second mortgage, but if you close on a HELOAN, it's a lump sum distribution. So if you do a $500,000 loan, they give you all the money at once and you have to start paying interest on it immediately. And that's not a bad thing, just depending on what your goals are, what you're trying to do. A HELOC doesn't work like that. You can close on a $500,000 HELOC, but you only start paying interest on it whenever you start using the money. Just because you close on a $500,000 HELOC doesn't mean you start paying interest on it. You could just take $10,000 out and just pay interest on that. So we offer both of those as a direct nationwide lender. If you have at least, a 680 plus credit score, you can verify your income the last 2 years, your debt ratio is below 45%, we can offer you either one, a HELOAN or a HELOC, for primary investment. Primary loans up to 80%, investment property up to 70%, up to a $500,000 loan. So reach out to us if we can help you to talk about both of them between a HELOC and a HELOAN. Call or text Angelo Christian, 832-431-6331. Let's make it happen.